We have here Huawei watch GT3 for 46mm for men, model GPT B19 black stainless steel case, full elastomer strap. Okay, so we are going to unbox these watches. So let's go to unbox. Okay, foil is down. We can continue. So now just I think just like this. Vibration. Okay, so look at them. Very nice. So this just take away like this. Now we have here the charger and some documentation. So we can open it and check. So here is the charger for your watches, and here we can check the papers from the watches, but it's going really difficult, I don't know why. And here we have the watches. Nice. Okay. And also here is protect foil. Okay. What is here? Okay, paper is outside, so we have here the warranty card. What is needed? I hope that I don't need to use this. And also we have here some we have next document. Applicable for United Kingdom and Ireland. "24 months is a warranty for products like this." Okay, so we can check also the charger. So we have here the USB connection for charging like this. Okay, and let's go to turn on with this or this. I'm not sure. You can check. I think this. Okay, so you have turn on with this button. Now we have here the language option. So get done.